into northern Florida.
Now onto a story of survival and heroism, one you'll see only on 5. A Stillwater man was headed home to Minnesota when he was caught in that deadly tornado which leveled the town of Greensburg, Kansas. Bob McNady went to Greensburg and found that Minnesota man who relived his amazing struggle to stay alive.
The devastation here in Greensburg, Kansas is overwhelming. You see it block after block. But inside this convenience store is an amazing story. A Minnesotan who rode out the storm and helped save lives.
We were dead, guaranteed. We were dead.
Bradley Stauner and about 15 other people may well have been killed if he hadn't made a split-second decision as he and others sought shelter in a convenience store.
I go, where's the storm? He goes, it's coming right for us.
There's nowhere to be. Find a place in there.
Except for the cooler.
Except for that spot in the cooler against that wall.
So Brad took charge, directing people into what is now a shell of a cooler. He'd worked in construction and figured it was the only part of the store that had any hope of surviving a twister.
I was just hanging on, and I was just going like this, and it was just hitting and hitting, and it was just bam, 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 bam. I knew the door was leaving. I knew this was leaving. When this thing started moving, I was like, we're going to be going. I thought we were going to be sucked up in it. And then the second wave hit, and it was worse. There was a bunch of people like right behind me and just all lined up against here. The old ladies were sitting right here. Elizabeth Lockhart and her mother-in-law were sitting here, so I walked around, got them back out of here, and I started looking around, and it was incredible.
Finally, the pounding stopped, but not before the roof had been stripped away, the walls around them torn down. The tornado had passed. Brad and the others were alive.
I'm still stunned. I get re-stunned every corner I go around. I actually could not believe that I was alive.
Alive, Brad feared others might not be so lucky.
I checked all these houses. I cleared most of these houses. I went over to that neighborhood. I didn't even know it was a neighborhood. I didn't even know where I was at.
Wandering in a town he had never stepped foot in before, dazed and in the darkness, Brad had one major concern.
My fear is somebody was either bleeding to death or was in a trauma, and they needed to be immediately dealt with. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you today?
I'm doing all right.
Are you getting wet?
Nice to see you.
Everyone on this block survived, and as you see, Brad and the Kansans he met have become like neighbors. Sharing the terror of a town blowing up around you has a way of making people fast friends.
Tell them your miracle.
Oh yeah, how you doing?
Very good.
Nice to see you, man.
Miracle. Miracle.
Brad's truck was destroyed. Nature had given him just enough time to get off the highway and into Greensburg.
I'm glad I was at least here because it would have picked me up and killed me.
The devastation of homes, businesses, the school is complete, but the will of these Kansans has not been broken. From the rubble comes a new hometown of sorts for Brad. Do you think you'll ever forget this town?
Never. Never.
In Greensburg, Kansas, Bob McNady, 5 Eyewitness News.
Well, today, words of hope and comfort to the victims of the Greensburg tornado. At a community worship service, ministers and residents took turns leading prayers.
We have a plan from the Lord this morning for a hope and a future.
Many at church today seeing each other for the first time since the deadly tornado hit last week.
Minnesota anglers working a reel in that prize fish this weekend, and there was plenty of competition between Governor Tim Pawlenty, the First Lady, and Lieutenant Governor Carol Molnow.
Little competition. Are you gonna get the best ever this year out there in the water?